What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know we have artists, entrepreneurs, and working moms here to become what? Future millionaires. Today we are going to go over just a few things that you can do that are really inexpensive for your toddler, but their memories are going to be everlasting and freaking priceless. I hope you brought your notepad. Let's get into it. So, how do you make a toddler feel special on their very special day without spending a lot of money? Tip number 1. Balloons. Tons of balloons. Go crazy with the balloons. You can get 100 balloons from Amazon for under $5. So go on Amazon, get some balloons, put them up against their doorway with just a trash bag, and when they open their door, all the balloons are going to fall out first thing in the morning, and it's such an amazing experience. They're going to love it. So I totally forgot to get video of my little guy with the balloons, but I'm going to tap in a video here because I do it every single year. This was his first birthday and we did the balloon thing and he absolutely loved it. He was only 1. And I'm telling you, toddlers growing into even teens and tweens, they love this because they wake up to something special and it's so exciting to just have a room full of balloons. So if you're unfamiliar with Blaze Pizza is an amazing pizza place that you actually put your own toppings on. It's kind of like a buffet style. You put your own toppings on and they cook it right there in front of you. But on Tuesdays, they have kids to eat free. I have been lucky enough to have my son's birthday on a Tuesday, so we're going to go have Blaze Pizzas for free. The next thing that you should do is take your kid to Build-A-Bear. Did you know Build-A-Bear gives your kid a Build-A-Bear for however old they are? My son is 3 and his Build-A-Bear is only going to cost $3. You know that Build-A-Bear is expensive. So to get a Build-A-Bear for $3, winning! Another one that I recommend is Chuck E. Cheese. If you sign up for their Chuck E. Cheese rewards program, they will give you 20 minutes of unlimited play on all of their games, and you also get 100 tickets towards anything that you want when you go to checkout. This is an amazing thing to do, and it's for the week of their birthday, so we're not going to do it on the day of his birthday, which is today, but we're definitely going to take advantage of it someday this week. Also, making a tradition. A tradition is such an amazing thing. Like, my toddler doesn't care about it right now, but when he's about 13 or 14, this is going to be something that you're going to want to do and they're going to love. Every year, I make a board. I made one for his first, second, and now his 3rd birthday. On that board, it says exactly what he loves to do, his favorite foods, how much he weighs, what he loves to do, his favorite movies, all of that. And he doesn't care about it right now, of course, but when he gets older, that's going to be a great memory for him to look back on and say, oh wow, I remember that. Oh yeah, this is super cool. Oh, this is why I like that, because I love that ever since I was 2 years old. This is an amazing gift to give to your little one, and also something that you can have to give to your older kid when they transition to be an adult. They're 18 and off to college. Giving them all 18 boards of their life in a cool thing is going to be so amazing. I know it's something that I would have cherished if it was something that my parents did for me. And so I want to give my kid everything that I would have loved to have in my own life. So I think making a tradition, thinking about something now while they're young and continuing to do that every single birthday, that's very inexpensive. This board came from the dollar store. I printed pictures from Staples for only like $3, and then I just drew and wrote using Sharpies and markers, but it's going to be such a cool memory that's going to be everlasting. So definitely do a tradition for your toddler. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for free ice cream. Yes, Baskin Robbins, again, you do have to sign up for their program, is giving away free scoops for the birthday kid. Now, you do have to buy a scoop to get a free scoop, but I mean, we're going to get a scoop for sure anyways, right? So sign up for the Baskin Robbins program, and also you can get $20 off of their ice cream cake. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Correction, that is $3 off a $20 cake, but that's still a good deal, guys. The next thing that I'm going to suggest is to find places that are not traditionally birthday places, because they don't usually have like a set price for birthday parties. So they'll tend to underprice themselves. For this year's birthday, we decided to find a sports arena because our kid is so into sports: basketball, football, tennis, soccer, whatever you think of, he wants to play. As long as it has a ball and that's involved, yes. So we found a place called High Velocity Sports, and they had bounce houses, guys, in this place. Now, a bounce house by itself is going to cost you about $100 to $150 for them to come out to your house. Guys, we paid $200 for 8 bounce houses, 5 pizzas, and 5 pitchers of soft drinks for 12 kids. Yeah, I'm waiting for my round of applause, because like that is insane in 2023 for that to be happening for that cheap of a price. And last but not least, I want you guys to make a mess, okay? I know sometimes we're like, toddlers, no, don't get dirty. No, stop doing that. But this day, go crazy and get messy. Go get some washable paint. Go outside, get some old sheets or some butcher paper and sponges and paintbrushes. Put them in the yard or the garage or the driveway and let them paint crazy. The best idea is to maybe get some goggles so they don't get paint in their face. Boil some old spaghetti and not old spaghetti, but boil some spaghetti and let them play in the spaghetti with the paint. The paintbrushes get messy, and this is going to be the highlight of any toddler's birthday party. Just make sure you let the parents know to bring old clothes or bathing suits that they're going to get dirty and messy. But make sure you use washable paint so that way they can just put it in the wash and it's no big deal. Description box, because I left all of the things that I talked about, because most of those things require for you to actually sign up to be a free club member. It just takes a little bit of your time, your email address, and then you're all set. If you do it in the same month that your child's birthday is, it will take maybe like a week or 2 for you to do that. So make sure you do it in advance, so that way you'll be able to celebrate and get those freebies on the day or the month of your kid's birthday, okay? If you want to see me implement all of these strategies, or at least most of these strategies for my toddler's birthday, click this video, because this is the entire vlog that we did for his birthday. That's the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and in the comments, let me know the cool things that you do with your toddler that are inexpensive and easy and fun to do, that will be a huge memory in your family's life. And I will see you next time, and you already know, I never give up. Don't ever give up. Never give up. Ooh, yeah. Life is